Node-RED flows for sensor data visualization. This presentation explores Node-RED flows designed for visualizing sensor data, focusing on configurations and explanations provided by Owen Haziq and Adil Rufi. We will cover MQTT nodes, debug nodes, change nodes, and dashboard nodes, detailing their functions and how they contribute to effective environmental monitoring. MQTT node, receiving and processing sensor data. Functionality. The MQTT node receives sensor data from an MQTT broker. A green connector indicates successful message reception. It listens to a specific topic, and the device publishing to that topic sends sensor data. Subscribes to topics. Receives messages. Delivers messages at least once, CoS1. Configuration. The MQTT broker is set to test.mosquitto.org on port 1883. The output is set to auto-detect, allowing Node-RED to determine the message format automatically. The node can be custom named for identification. Debug node, monitoring and verifying data. Purpose. The debug node monitors data in the debug panel and verifies the data format before processing. It displays real-time sensor data, which is updated periodically. Function. It is used to inspect incoming messages, aiding in troubleshooting by displaying message contents. Multiple debug nodes can display similar data, showing slight changes over time. Frequency. Messages arrive every 10 seconds, indicating real-time monitoring. Temperature, humidity, barometric pressure, and altitude show minor fluctuations. Change node, modifying messages for visualization. Purpose. The change node modifies messages before sending them to dashboard elements, ensuring the data format is suitable for visualization. Function. It sets or changes the message payload, extracting values from received messages. For example, it extracts the humidity value from a nested payload and flattens it. Configuration. The action is set to modify a property, targeting MSG payload. The value is set to MSG payload.humidity, extracting the humidity property from the incoming message. Dashboard node, visualizing sensor data. Gauge. Displays sensor data as a gauge indicator. Configurations include group, type, label, value format, units, and range. Color gradients and sectors can indicate temperature levels. Chart. Shows sensor data as a time-based graph. Configurations include group, label, type, x-axis, y-axis, legend, interpolation, and series colors. Displays data as a line chart. Text. Displays raw sensor readings as text. Configurations include group, label, value format, and layout. Shows data with the unit and offers different styles for label and value display. Temperature and humidity monitoring. Humidity. The humidity gauge is displayed as a level style indicator labeled humidity with units in %RH. The range is set from 0 to 100. The humidity chart plots readings over time using a green color scheme. Temperature. The temperature gauge is displayed as a donut chart labeled temperature with units in degree C. The range is set from 0 to 80. The temperature chart plots readings over time using a blue color scheme. Dashboard overview and environmental monitoring. Dashboard. The dashboard presents real-time sensor data for temperature, humidity, barometric pressure, and altitude, each represented with charts and gauge indicators. Environment. High temperature suggests an industrial and mechanical environment, e.g., server room, factory. Altitude is consistent with barometer data. Low humidity is also displayed. Configuration. The dashboard is grouped under HADLE with different rooms labeled. Charts display trends, and gauges show current values. Challenges and reflections. Finding API weather. Search websites to find and use OpenWeatherMap. Transferring data. Transfer data from every selected website to Telegram bot using selected nodes. Learning experience. Learned every type of node, building flows to understand every function of nodes, deploying flows to watch result of every node's combination, secure node read with encryption.